Welcome to the new Victaulic Submittal Package Engine. Now anyone can build a submittal package delivered as a single combined PDF file with customizable cover sheet. Here's how. Use our product guide or the search bar to find the products you need. Select the products whose submittals you'd like to download by clicking Add to Package. If applicable, select the language and then click Update Package. You can also add submittals from a product search, a product page, or a system page. When you've added all the submittals you need, click the folder in the upper right corner. When brought to the next screen, confirm the selected submittals are correct and then click Download Selected. If you've changed your mind about any submittals, you can checkmark only the ones you want to remove and then click Remove Selected. On the next screen, fill in your project information and then click Download Package. Within minutes, your submittal package will be downloaded and ready to go. It's that easy.